Hey PJ family, I'm currently at Marcia Garza Elementary where 5th grade students are about to perform their play, The Little Mermaid. Real exciting stuff. They've been working on this since January, so let's go check out part of their world.
My name is Jocelyn. I am Ariel. We've been working on this play since January, and there's been ups and downs in this play, and I'm so excited to perform it for our parents.
My character is King Trident, and I hope you enjoy the play. We've been working hard on this, and we've been practicing since January, every single day. So we hope you enjoy the play. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nasiro. I'm gonna play Prince Eric, and we've been working on this for a long time. There's been, sometimes we make mistakes and something, but this one we have to do good. This one's for our parents. I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, hi. Hi. This is
Hello, my name is Mr. Barrios, and I just want to say that my students have been working very hard on this high school musical play, The Little Mermaid Junior, and they've been working so hard, and I'm very proud of them, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Little clips on the internet.
She's got legs, you dummy! Ariel treated her voice to the ceiling to become human! I look like the boy just shy, ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? Ain't ashamed tonight, he gonna kiss the girl.
I really have to know your names. Maybe I can guess. Is it Alexandra? Annabelle?